Rise or grind, man. If you want to sleep broke, you can wake up rich too, man. One thing they gonna always say about Migo, Migo's already rich before the deal, no cap. Already rich before the deal, you hear me? Already rich before the deal. If you want to sleep broke, you can wake up get you some money too. Get at never let nobody tell you can't do shit. For all the young niggas who out there who was fucked up like me, I ain't had shit, nobody help. Man, get off your way, go get a pay, don't complain, man. I never complain, man. One thing I always did was stay true to myself, keep this shit real through all the fuck shit. And, you know, God bless the nigga. I made it out, you know. I'm a leader, never was a follower, man. Do my own thing with my own game. You know?